In today's video, I'm going to teach you getting started with Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a flexible workspace for planning, writing, and collaborating all in one place. Think of it as a home for your ideas that can grow into structured plans with tasks, tables, and visuals, and can adapt as your project evolves. First, open your browser and go to loop.microsoft.com. Sign in with your personal or your work or school Microsoft 365 account. Using the same account you use for apps like Teams or Outlook helps everything stay connected. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home, which is your jumping off point for everything you create. Next, create a workspace. A workspace is the container for a project and all its moving parts. Give it a clear name, add a short description if you like, and use it as the single place to collect pages, links, and files related to your initiative. This makes it easy to keep context together and quickly bring teammates up to speed. Inside your new workspace, start creating pages. Pages hold your content, notes from meetings, brainstorms, decisions, and task lists. Use pages to break a project into focus areas like planning, design, or launch. You can add more pages as you go and keep them organized so information is easy to find later. A simple rule of thumb is one page per topic, milestone, or recurring meeting. To save time, use built-in templates. Choose something like project planning to instantly get a structure with a goals section, milestones, a task table, and status areas. Templates are starting points. Edit headings, remove what you don't need, and add sections that match how your team actually works. This jumpstarts your setup and helps you focus on real content instead of formatting. Now, start writing. Type directly on the page, and when you want to add structure, press the / key to open the command menu. From there, insert tables to track items, checklists for simple to-dos, images for visual context, and task blocks you can assign. When creating tasks, add a clear title, due date, and assignee so responsibilities are obvious. Use comments for quick conversations and keep decisions close to the work. As your content grows, you can rearrange blocks, turn notes into tasks, and refine your layout without losing momentum. That's it. Sign in, create a workspace, add pages, start with a helpful template, and use the / command to build exactly what you need. With these basics, you're ready to turn ideas into action inside Microsoft Loop.